Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality business listing backlink. So the website name is callupcontact.com and you guys can see this is a website dashboard. Before the started we can research something. So according to Acharya, this website having 74 domain rating, and according to SimilarWeb, this website driving 139.8k monthly visitors, and this website having mostly traffic from USA, South Africa, India, Philippines, and Australia. So if you want to increase crawlability, audience, and the traffic source from that kind of country, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. And according to Moj, this website having 53 domain authority and the spam score is 0%. So we have completed our research process. Before they started, I wanted to a small request from your side. If you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. So you guys can see I can also provide this website URL over the description section, so where you guys can access easily. So there you can see there is a list my business button. You guys have to click over there, and there you guys can choose your name. Mandeep Singh. There you guys can choose your email addresses. Then you guys can choose your passwords. I guess we have already created our profile on that website, maybe. And you guys have to click for the sign up button. And once you guys can create these things, then you guys can choose your business name. You guys have to choose your targeted keywords. Then you guys can choose your provision state. Then you guys can choose your opening hour, and after that you guys can add your contact details number. Then you guys can choose there you guys can add your website URL, and after that you guys will see there is a business description button. You guys have to click over there. Then you guys can generate your fresh description for your businesses. Then you guys can paste it over there, and after that you guys have to see there is your map location button, longitude and the longitude. So let me search first if we can found our exact address, so then we can add. Okay, so there you guys can add your map addresses, longitude and longitude. So we can search first, then we can go to add. So you guys will see this is a longitude, and after that you guys can see there is this is your longitude snippet. So simply you guys can add it over there, and if anything are important for you, so you guys can fill all the details. Then after that you guys can click for the next button. So you guys will see this is our website listing. So let me click to you guys fill this is your business listing landing page URL, and I can show you it's 100% live backlink. So let me check in incognito tab. So you guys will see all the details are fluctuating in the VR get backlink for the contextual backlink. So simply you guys can click over there, and you guys can see it's not our website backlink. Yeah, so let me check. This is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have listed our businesses on the callupcontact.com, and if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can access all the details easily. So okay, bye bye and take care. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, yeah, thanks for the watching, and bye bye. Take care.